Hi, I'm Lorna Radford, Managing Director of Wrinkles Developments and Technical Advisor for In-Cosmetics Global, Asia and Korea.
Hi, I'm Rouah, Director of Raw Cosmetics and R&D Tool Leader for In-Cosmetics Asia and Global. Welcome to episode 5 of our Formulation Friday series, where today we're going to talk about fine lines and wrinkles. At our 2019 In-Cosmetics Asia show, we promoted an R&D tool called Timeless Beauty to encourage the idea that despite a person's chronological or physical age, their beauty and external appeal does not decrease over time, regardless of the occurrence of fine lines and wrinkles. The dermis is a connective tissue composed of fibroblasts that produce proteins such as collagen and elastin found in the extracellular matrix. Fibroblasts play a key role in the dermis architecture as they interact with the extracellular matrix in a three-dimensional structure. Thanks to their mobility and contractile properties, fibroblasts organize a supporting network that brings firmness and elasticity to the skin. Due to skin aging, the dermis undergoes several changes. The cellular dynamism weakens, fibroblast functionality is altered, and collagen production is reduced. The skin's supportive tissues become loose, causing wrinkles to appear. The main difference between fine lines and wrinkles is the depth of the crease in the skin. Fine lines are mild, whereas wrinkles are deeper set. Aging is inevitable. However, helping consumers embrace the process by creating products which help them feel as though they're aging gracefully is a goal that we as formulators can aspire to achieve. Let's take a look at some of the ingredients you may consider adding into your formulations. Organic bioactives show us the power of New Zealand's beautiful biodiversity through their Ocean Derm X product range. It's a 4-in-1 multitasking ingredient blend, synchronizing functional, structural, bioactive and sensorial properties of unique biopolymers. There are 4 variations within the range, which are derived from black fern meristems and a New Zealand native red seaweed, obtained through Organic Bioactive's own patented TPT extraction method. Each variation has additional ingredients which focus on different aspects of the skin in terms of the changes that occur as we age. Ocean Derm X Lift and Firm helps to effectively diminish fine lines and wrinkles due to the firming and lifting properties of the product's constituents. Red seaweed has a hydrating and plumping effect on the skin, attributed to the various mix of versatile biomimetic sulfated glycosaminoglycans. Sulfated glycosaminoglycans play a major role in skin vitality and delivery of bioactives via their lively intra- and extracellular communication. Studies were conducted using Ocean Derm X Lift and Firm at 5% in an emulsion, and 15 minutes after application, skin redness, fine lines, and wrinkles were diminished. It also helps to increase absorption through the skin, emphasizing the ingredient's immediate and long-lasting firming and lifting properties. Here are the main reasons you should incorporate Ocean Derm X Lift and Firm into your formulations. It diminishes the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, promotes collagen synthesis, effectively increases and binds moisture to plump and hydrate the skin, and shields the skin against environmental pollution. Let's go to Lorna in the lab for more on this ingredient.
Ocean Derm X Lift and Firm is a translucent, slightly yellow liquid with a silky texture in pure form due to the high content of sulfated glycosaminoglycans. The supplier recommends adding Ocean Derm X at 5% for fast and visible results. It should be added below 40 degrees and between pH 4 and 7 to formulations. To highlight its silky skin feel, I've tried adding 5% Ocean Derm X to a light serum to impart additional sensory benefits to the formulation.
IFF Lucas Meyer believe they have the best secret to aging gracefully. Skin Natura is a certified organic botanical extract of the Australian kangaroo paw. This vibrant red flower is rich in nectar and boosts the synthesis of tensin X, a glycoprotein located in the extracellular matrix of the dermis. It exerts a crucial architectural role by regulating spacing and cohesiveness between collagen fibrils and elastin fibers, whilst improving the organization and biomechanical properties of the extracellular matrix. Skin Natura is a high-quality extract, standardized in fructose and rutin content, shown to act on the root causes of skin aging and rebuilding the structure of the dermis. Here are the main reasons you should incorporate Skin Natura into your formulations. It reduces the appearance of wrinkles in the eye and neck areas. It reduces neck wrinkle depth and length. It decreases skin roughness and improves skin firmness.
Skin Natura is a pale yellow to brown liquid that should be added to the final formulation steps below 40 degrees. It's been tested at 2% in vivo on both the face and neck. I'm now adding 2% Skin Natura to the same serum that I added Ocean Derm X to earlier. Skin Natura has been tested on the face, jawline and neck, so this lightweight serum should now be a great product to use across the face and neck to tackle fine lines and wrinkles.
Pure Medi by Danjung Bio is a botanical extract which promotes the production of collagen and improves the appearance of skin wrinkles. It is comprised of Salicornia herbaceae extract and Phragmites communis extract, which are both used in Korea for their medicinal properties, containing lots of minerals, essential fatty acids, and dietary fibers. Here are the main reasons you should incorporate Pure Medi into your formulations. It promotes the production of collagen, improves the appearance of skin wrinkles. It's an antioxidant and antimicrobial ingredient, and it enhances skin moisturization.
Pure Medi is a water-soluble extract that is recommended to be used at 3 to 5%. As with most extracts, we would recommend adding this below 40 degrees in the final steps of formulation.
Our facial expressions leave their imprint on our skin and lead to the formation of expression lines and fine lines which can become deeper over the years. Affected areas include the outer corner of the eye, the forehead, the lip contour, nasolabial folds, and the neck. Gatuline Expression AF by Fosse is a plant-based solution sourced in Madagascar and the Mascarene Islands. The paracress is a small yellow flower traditionally used as a spice and medicinal plant. It exerts aesthetic properties and efficiently redesigns the eye and lip contour areas to combat the appearance of expression lines and visibly smooths the skin's surface. Gatuline Expression AF is the first active ingredient capable of completely redesigning the mouth contour, restoring its definition, recurving the cupid's bow, and lifting vertical wrinkles. The efficacy of an emulsion containing 2% of this ingredient was assessed against a placebo using the fringe projection method on the crow's feet area. It showed significant smoothing effects on expression lines, whereas the placebo had no effect at all. A significant decrease of skin roughness is observed from the first day of use. Here's why you should incorporate Gatuline Expression AF into your formulations. It shows instantly visible results. It improves the appearance of expression lines. It visibly smooths the skin's surface and helps to redesign the lip contour.
Gatuline Expression comes in two formats. The standard grade contains alcohol, but there is also an alcohol-free grade that comes in propane diol instead. Both versions are water-soluble liquids that should be added below 40 degrees in the final steps of your formulation. Gatuline expression has an interesting combination of efficacy data for both the eyes and lip area. I've added 2% Gatuline expression to a light cream base, which can now be used across the lips and eye contour area. Thanks for joining us on today's Formulation Friday video.
We hope you've enjoyed today's video and will join us again when we return with more formulation challenges.
If you'd like to learn more, then you can visit me at the Formulation Lab at In-Cosmetics or join one of Rouah's R&D tours live on the show floor.
Visit the In-Cosmetics website linked below to find out more.